In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to join game lobby in Helldivers 2. So the first thing you will do here is go to CMD, and then you will run this as administrator. So here there's some network commands that you can do. So first you want to type ipconfig flush DNS, then you want to press enter, and then you will type ipconfig/release, and then ipconfig register DNS, and then ipconfig/renew. So once you're done with this, you want to go to Steam. So sometimes verifying the files will fix the game. So just go to Helldivers 2 and then go to properties, and under installed files click verify game files. So after verifying game files, go to browse and go to the exe folder for the game. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, disable this option. Check on this option, click apply, and then OK. Now check if the game works. So if you're still having the same issue, then I suggest you check if the game servers are down. So you can do this by going to Google and then typing is Helldivers 2 down. So if the game servers are down, then you won't be able to play the multiplayer or the other online stuff. So just check here. If it's down, you'll see like spikes. You'll have to wait for them to fix the servers for you to be able to join. If that's not the case, then I suggest you go here and then right click on your internet. Over here, you want to make sure you select under DNS server assignment. You want to make sure these two are turned off, and you want to click save. Then you want to go back all the way to network, and then under VPN, make sure the VPN you're not connected to any VPN. And then under proxy, you want to make sure that it's turned off. So once you have this done, check if it works. If you're still experiencing issues, then go to control panel, then network and internet, then click on your internet here, properties, then go to protocol version 4, properties, use DNS, and then type 8888, and then 8844, and then you want to basically click on OK, and then OK, then just close this down. Then just restart the game, restart your computer, and hopefully it should work.